like quinoa. This whole grain has a relatively high protein content, making it a great choice for a plant-based meal. Let's skip that rice, that white rice, because here we got a gluten-free, high protein content food. It is so tasty that you'll never go back to cooking rice again. And I need some greens, some tomato paste. I'm using the organic tomatoes here in a can, garlic, fresh cilantro, and here you can see me. I am grinding those in the fast food chopper. Boy, this is some great chopper. It looks like something like a tool like you're gonna play with. Look at this. You just pull it, then it will just cut it up in small
We have
pieces.
it.
You want it fine like
Good
that.
stuff.
That's together
Garlic
with the
and
garlic.
onion.
So both of them
Very
are
fine.
fine. After
This here is the truth.
is the
The
truth, yeah.
truth.
So you're gonna need just a little bit of oil, about 3 tablespoons of oil. Fill up and put those onions in, kind of make them cook a little bit. Then I'm gonna add some turmeric. I really do like turmeric. If you have some bit of curry, can use it, but I use it because I it. And you can see I just put the tomato paste there. I'm gonna kind of stir, and then I'm gonna put all the spices. Oregano, black pepper, and pepper, and salt. And you know I love some spicy food. I still use some pepper there. Put the sardines, I take them out of the can, I cut them up in small pieces before I add them in. And for sardines, by the way, you can also use the sardines in tomato sauce, but I love this wild caught sardines. They're really nice. And the olive oil, I love it. I'm gonna add them. And after I add them, I'm gonna stir. And by the way, I forgot to tell you one thing that you didn't see. I boiled the grains. I boiled the sorghum grains beforehand. As you can see, they are cooked. So you will see this how I did it in the description box below where I list all the recipes. When you boil the grains, they almost like double up in size, so it looks like I have a lot there. But this is some great stuff. Great, nice, just so tasty. So tasty, and a little bit of spice and a taste of some fish. It is so delicious. After we stir everything, I'm gonna cook it for about 10 minutes. Cilantro last. And there we go. We have it. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.